I'm Courtney Mann, and I'm an associate and trial attorney with Brown, Moore & Associates. I have been practicing law since 2014 in Charlotte, North Carolina. I started my career working for a company that managed and resolved healthcare liens for other personal injury lawyers and their injured clients. A little over a year later, in 2015, I decided to take the knowledge I gained on the healthcare side and go into private practice with a plaintiff's firm. I have been practicing in the same area of law ever since and joined Brown, Moore & Associates in January of 2024. I cannot remember a time where I wanted to be anything else but a lawyer. I am naturally a helper and mediator of conflict, in large part due to my childhood experiences. But knowing who I am at my core, I felt driven towards a career in law where I could help others during their own challenging and difficult times. While the preferred area of practice may have changed from 2002 to 2014, the focus was always the same, and that was to help my clients in their darkest hour. My mother is a retired labor and delivery nurse, so I grew up around the hospital and the medical field. I learned how to read medical records, how to understand medical coding, and other medical terminology from her. It was a natural fit when I leaned into healthcare law upon becoming licensed. Ultimately, I wanted to help everyday people who are often taken advantage of by fighting these big companies and fiercely advocating for my clients' rights when they are wronged or hurt. Looking back, it's clear this was the path I was meant to take in my career. It's hard to grasp that our world and communities lack a sense of fairness at times. In this practice, we know the difficult days are as certain as the good ones, and understand that we cannot help everyone who walks through our door. However, when we have the opportunity to make a real difference in our clients' lives and get to see the tangible results of our work for that client, it provides a sense of justice to keep going and fight for others. There is also something to be said about the satisfaction of overcoming the complex legal challenges that may arise and having the opportunity to fight and win against these powerful companies. I find real joy in knowing that we have helped change someone's life, or at least made a lasting impression on them for the better. It helps to keep the fire burning during the times when the lows feel insurmountable. I want my clients to believe that I understood their concerns and took them to heart, and that I was honest, caring, and on their side throughout the process. Every case is different and has its own challenges, but overall, I hope that my clients feel I was the counselor and advocate they needed and deserved in that moment in their life. We mean it when we say, because you deserve more, when describing the why behind Brown, Moore & Associates. It is the mentality the firm embodies and is reflected in our work and relationships with our clients. We take fewer cases so that our time is devoted to our clients because they all deserve to have the same level of attention and detail, regardless of the type of case. We also work as a team and collaborate with each other to make sure we provide the best for our clients. Whether it is a smaller case or a catastrophic case, Brown Moore brings more to the table by the way we approach advocacy for our clients, and that is something we take great pride in.